completely forgot what I was supposed to say. I was like, wait, what was this video about?
Hi guys, dolls and everything in between. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joe.
And welcome to Plastic Chat. We're from the future.
Future. If you watched our first video where we went to the toy district,
Link here.
we found a lot of crazy toys. Well, we couldn't fit it all into one video, so here is a bonus video just on the fake LOL surprises that we found. You won't believe what we found, guys. So enjoy.
Enjoy. Now, I want you to open these first because mine are so small. And I want you to tell the people what we noticed about these packs after we bought them.
So I'm a big fan of LOL.
He likes them and he's trying to get me into them.
The babies, I'm not too keen on. I mean, some of them are really cute, but we found these and I just had to get them. These LOL fishing girl.
Fashion!
Fishing! She's a fishing girl. I got two of them, one purple, one blue. Yeah, these were $1.50.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And then this was $6.
That's still not bad.
I had to see these. I had to open them. Which one should I start?
Purple's my favorite color.
I was gonna say purple too.
It's on my
Okay,
lap, 'cause I don't
so
know what this is.
let's start with purple.
Yeah. Are they supposed to be squishy?
I think so.
Yeah, just eat the trash.
Oh.
Oh God.
Oh, okay.
Is it bad?
Oh no! Oh, I need like a flat surface. Okay.
We got a flat surface.
Yeah.
Ew.
So this is all completely in pieces. Ooh. There's a sticker. It says it's the I Spy series, but there's no... Oh, wait.
I can smell the plastic.
There is a... Oh my god, I can't really... @ sign, pyramid. What's that? That's like a...
I don't know how the kids write things these days. @ plus pyramids.
Well, I don't think that's reflective of what this
What's in
doll is.
Yeah, that makes. I'm assuming it means Egyptian, but this is a white lady.
Yeah.
This is cool though.
I mean, she is
Jesus.
so shiny, completely in pieces. Let's see if we could put her together.
I tried to pick up this. It hurts. It's so thin. What is this?
What is this?
Is that gel?
Yeah, it's like jelly, kind of.
Ew. Oh, I hate it.
I'm trying really hard to fit this, but it is really not wanting to stay. And then she has some sunglasses,
Oh my God, she's bad.
little sippy cup, and some shoes. Let's put the shoes on. She has a purse.
It's not even full plastic.
This is her.
What is she?
These were $1.50. I can see why. Oh, this
They
the dress.
didn't even punch the plastic out for the handle. You know what it feels like?
What does it feel like?
This at least feels like, do you know in like ball pits at McDonald's when you take one of the balls and you just squish it because you're like, what does this feel like and you're 5? That's what this feels like. You know what I'm saying? Like the plastic.
Oh yeah,
They're like
the ball
super
pit.
hollow. Yeah,
Yeah.
but they're like made of super thin plastic so they can just go to McDonald's for no reason.
Yeah, this is bad, guys. The face paint is very chipped. The lips aren't aligned. It's really bad, guys. Well,
It's $1.50.
$1.50.
And this means nothing. This means nothing to what
Yeah,
she is.
there's no clue. Okay, let's open the
okay.
next one.
Second one.
I'm afraid.
I'm gonna, this one says, oh, sorry, I was reading the back. I'm guessing some of them have actual surprises with them.
I mean, it's supposed to be 9 surprises. I don't know if you guys can see.
One says water. Oh, yeah, because you told me they spit water.
They spit or pee or barf.
I need someone to explain
Or-
these to me. I don't understand them, but I'm not gonna show you it either.
Okay, let's,
If you got the same one.
Don't. Don't!
Oh, I would love it.
Okay. Oh! No, it's a different one. Okay.
I see the shoes. Let's see if they're, oh. Yay, I love these. Should I read this one?
Yeah.
I kind of like the color. This one says, the same dang thing. I don't even have to look at it. It's Ankh plus pyramids. What does that mean in English?
Onk onk.
Aflac? I haven't seen those commercials in years. Yeah, it just says @Ankh plus pyramids. Am I the dumb one?
Clearly.
Constantly, yes.
Isn't
but
it
I don't
obvious?
think right now, I sound like a crazy person just screaming Ankh plus pyramid constantly. This is a cool idea.
Now, she's actually cuter than the first one. She has pink hair and little buns and a little yellow dress. Is this fitting? Come on, let's see.
Oh, it's like a half dress.
Yeah, she's kind of cute. Yeah, I mean, just as bad. Oh, there goes a shoe.
I got it. There you go.
I mean, this one looks slightly better. I like the pink hair,
She
but
looks more proportional.
oh god, the quality,
Can I?
the paint.
There
Oh,
goes
there's another shoe.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like it. You know what I don't like the most?
The seam line. Oh, the seam line
Why?
is awful.
You're having a machine do it anyway. Oh, I hate it.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I mean, overall, I would say these are garbage.
Now you have the big one, the big chungus.
Yes, the big
chungus.
big chungus. LOL.
I'm trying to see if this one has any like fission girls. You know
Let's see. It says, "Let's be friend." LOL. Super big surprise. The most beautiful I am.
The most beautiful I am.
Let's be friends. Okay, now
Let's be friends?
let's. You are the most beautiful. Series 28.
Yeah, those also said Series 28. The ones you yeeted upon the floor.
All right, let's
I believe in you. I
see.
do believe in you.
Let's see.
Just yeet at this point. I mean,
The whole premise is that like there's zipper and you like
is
tear
this
it open.
okay? Do normal? Because I don't know anything about lol dolls, and if anybody does, feel free to yell at me.
I love that you say lol dolls, by the way.
It's like how we do na-na-na-nas.
Yes.
Like no joke.
I say na na na.
And I say na-na-na-nas, and I don't know why. We know what we're talking about, but either one of us would sound like a nutcase.
I think it's just your Midwesterness.
Midwesternness. We didn't get fancy
Midwesterness.
toys back in my day, and by back in my day, I mean back in Ohio.
I grew up on Toy District toys. That's all my family could afford. Every Christmas, it was always the helicopter that would fall apart after one use.
That's kind of my vibe, then.
Or like the ghetto Transformers.
The Transmorphers.
Yeah, Transmorphers. It was bad. So I grew up on these toys, so
Yes.
I know the Toy District pretty well. Let's open the first.
The whole premise why I was asking, do normal lol dolls open like that?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how normal lol dolls open. Are
They-
you supposed to say LOL?
I think they're LOL, yeah. LOL
Okay,
surprise.
that makes sense.
There's no pre-ripped ties.
Do you need scissors?
I could just open it like that, but it's not easy to open. Okay, there's a
Kind of like the canister. Is that a weird thing to say? I'm a big fan of tubes.
big fan of tubes.
I'm a big fan of tubes.
We're also on the tubes.
We are a.
Oh. So
This is so much work. Is it supposed to be a spray can?
Yes.
Are you serious? I didn't know that. Really?
It's like hairspray.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I don't collect any of those.
I mean, I only have a few. I mean, you're making it sound like I'm a huge collector. I'm not.
You're on a scale of me to you. You are the biggest collector between the two of us.
Okay, so
What?
let's see what we got here.
What is this?
Oh, okay.
Oh, another one?
Oh, okay. So the inside says LQL.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
No. Did the outside say LQL?
No,
or
it
did
said
LOL.
LOL. I swear to God. Yeah, it said
These all say
LOL.
LQL too.
Yeah. Sleepy
Carrot.
carrot.
I don't know what that means in English, but oh, here's a bunch of codes for some reason that I don't know what that means.
And here's all the different ones that you can get. Everything is completely in pieces.
Girl.
So there's a chain.
That's rad as hell. I actually kind of love that.
Well, you should get a real one then. Okay, so she's in pieces again. Oh, okay, she feels super oily.
Is it any better quality than the 150 ones?
I mean, let's see. I think the dress is like fused together so you can't get it open to put over her.
Oh, I hate the glasses. I believe
Yeah.
in you. You're an adult. You pay taxes.
Okay, so the dress actually fits for once. It's like a cute little
That's not a bad fit.
princess Rococo style dress. This is like supposed to be like the hidden surprise. Like if you get the real ones, they come with this over it and then you take it off. So it's kind of like an extra doll.
Is it like a costume?
Yeah, to like hide it, to add more surprise.
But she has real hair. Those had plastic hair.
The real ones, you could get plastic hair or real hair.
I'm being educated.
Yeah. Did you see what these surprises are?
Those are all the same. That's just random codes, and she doesn't exist here. You find a pink-haired one.
Yeah, it's none of these guys.
I don't get it. Can I touch her?
Yeah. Oh, my hands are like greasy now from touching them.
Oh, I don't like it. I'm not a big, huge fan of that. I mean, I guess she's better quality. Does she go in there?
I think this is her stand.
Are you serious?
I'm trying, guys.
You good. I have don't know anything about these things. You mean they aren't LQL? No, it's a party favor, Sleepy Party. I'm an idiot and thought it was a carrot.
So I cannot get her on the stand. It's clearly not made for this one. She's
That's
better than the 150 ones.
I guess. Even now her dress is coming off. Are their clothes made of gel usually? Who?
Yeah, they're like, you know, like rubber, like rubberized.
Oh, her head is too soft. Oh, I don't like it.
Oh, yeah, that's like,
Yeah, it's not okay. Oof. Oof.
I'm barely putting any pressure.
Yeah, that's how I noticed. I mean, the canister's cool. I love this though. I love that it's like a spray can.
I also like this foamy stuff, whatever it's supposed to be.
The costume?
It kind of looks like a centaur or something. I don't know, like a...
Oh yeah. Oh, I touched that and I saw Jesus. I don't know how I feel about it. This would be kind of cool if you could paint it like a mat. Don't sniff it.
It has kind of like a sweet smell.
It smells like fake cherries.
Yeah.
No, it smells like watermelon. It smells like
Yeah,
watermelon.
like watermelon.
Why? Is it supposed to?
I don't know. There was nothing on here about
Are we
scent.
just dying? Is this signs of a stroke? Like that, the 150s you open smelled like straight plastic. Does she smell like watermelon?
This smells like lighter fluid.
Does it? Can I smell it?
She smells like she'll light up.
Holy sh! Oh, I hate that. I don't like that.
Yeah.
You're going back in the hole.
Yeah, she...
Get out of
back
here.
in
Get out of
there.
my house. I don't like that this smells like watermelon.
Better than disgusting plastic.
But is it disgusting plastic disguised as watermelon? Here's a brush.
All right, let's go on to the next one. Hi guys, Future Joe and Rachel here. So
Yeah.
we hope you enjoyed that video on these fake LOL knockoffs, or should I say LQL. If you didn't watch our first video, make sure to watch that where you can see our full journey to the LA Toy District.
Should be somewhere here.
Yeah. Make sure to keep an eye out. We'll have more bonus videos.
Yeah. And make sure to like and subscribe so you get to see those videos first. And follow us on all these social medias.
Oh,
We got a
yeah.
Facebook now. Twitch coming soon.
Leave a comment. Tell us which one was your favorite of these LQLs.
And
Keep it plastic.
that is so fucking fun.